Hi again everyone, this is the second video of this series. In this video, I will show you how to compute a cost surface from the slope image and classifying thresholds. The tool that we will be used is Reclassify by table. Next, let's see my input data. The national park is located in Chayapum province of Thailand. I will zoom to the area of interest, which is the national park. This is my area of interest, and this is a slope image. I already classified my slope image into 5 classes using quantized scheme. These labels will be the thresholds for reclassifying by table. Now let's start with the processing. To activate graphical modeler, go to processing and click add graphical modeler. This is the graphical modeler window. Can I move this? And the lower right panel, I will add my model name here. I will call it least cost path model. And I will save it in my project directory. I will call it the same. I click save. And let's see the upper right panel. Input tab is for adding parameters into the model. There is vector layer, raster layer, and many more. Next is algorithm tab. This is where we can find the tool similar to the processing toolbox here. Now I want to reclassify my slope image. My slope image is a raster layer with only one band. So I will drag and drop the input parameter here. There will be a dialog pop up for me. I will enter the name of the parameter here. I will call it slope. Then click OK. Then I want the algorithm namely reclassify by table. I will again drag and drop. This is the interface of the tool. So my input raster layer, I want it to be the parameter of the model, so I should click here and change the option from value into model input. I want the slope parameter, and this is the same, it matched already. So, and the band number is 1 because my raster input is already a single band image. Then this is the important part, how to create a reclassification table. I will click this 3 dots button, and as you can see, I have 5 classes of slope value. So I will add 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is the range of the input and the value of the output image. I will copy the range of the input first. This first class is 0 until 6. Second class is 6 until 8, 12, 16, 16, 38, and I want to give a cost value from 0 to 10, and I will spread them out evenly. So I will add the cost of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. the less steep slope will get the lower cost, and the higher steep slope will get the higher cost. Please beware, you need to click OK on the right hand side first to save the table. If you click on at the bottom first, you will need to re-enter the table again. So I click OK, my table is saved, fine already. Now let's go to the output box. Reclassify raster. This is the output. I want my output to be another raster, so I should choose this option. And I will call it slope cost, which means the cost that we calculate from slope. And then I will click OK. There will be a green box for output. If you want to save your output into a permanent file, you need to double click this box and click this three dots button. Save to file. Give your output file name. I will call it the same. And I want it into TIFF file, so I will add .tif file. Then I click save. And then I click OK. Now my model is ready to run. Oh, sorry. This is run button. I will click this and there will be a dialog window for my model. The input that I put here, it will be a combo box for me to choose which layer is the input. And the output will be the line edit box. I want to save my output into this directory with this name. This is correct, so I will click run. See the log file here. The algorithm worked successfully. There is no red ink here, so I can close this dialog and go to see my output. So I will minimize this window first. This is my output. I will save to the layer. The brighter color means the higher value of cost, and the darker color means the lower cost. So I finished this step. Please go to another video for another step. Thank you.